afternoon. So one of the questions that I received today, what is the difference between pre-need and life insurance? All right, so life insurance is a policy that you get on yourself or a loved one that pays you X amount of dollars at the time of death. Say you got $20,000 life insurance policy. When you die, you get $20,000. Now, keep in mind, you ain't gonna get $20,000. Some of that is gonna go toward administrative fees. So, if you have a $20,000 life insurance policy, they're gonna charge you, I don't know, I'm just guessing here, $2,000 to cash it out. So you end up with $18,000. Well, let's say you were drunk and you died. If your toxicology report comes back that you were under the influence, or you died of a drug overdose, or something like that, then that may actually affect whether or not you get paid at all. So I mean, there's different clauses in insurance policies that prevent payout for certain things. Okay, so that's number one. So now, not knocking anything with life insurance. Life insurance is excellent to have. Excellent to have if you use it wisely. And if you use it for what it's intended, and you're typically a overall healthy person. Now, keep in mind, pre-need is actually different. Pre-need insurance is putting your funeral on layaway. You want to get your casket, you want to get your flowers. Well, depending on the funeral home, you may not be able to include that, but you want to make sure that everything that you have is covered, and yeah, it's a prepaid plan, so everything is covered, based on how much you want to spend. So if you want a $10,000 funeral, then you set up payment plans for a $10,000 funeral that you pay the funeral home to make sure that when you die, everything within your $10,000 plan is carried out accordingly. Life insurance is you get that cash money, which they're going to reduce it for administrative fees again. You get that cash money, you take that to the funeral home, and you purchase whatever you can with what you got. So, difference between life insurance and prepaid. Life insurance, you're taking a bet that you're going to get all that money, that you're going to die of natural causes or an accident. It's not going to be anything suspicious involved. You're not committing suicide within the first 2 years. And then prepaid is, or pre-need is prepaid. Now, they do have pre-need policies that actually insure you for the cost of that funeral. So there's pre-need with insurance, with an insurance clause. So if you set up a pre-need policy for $10,000 and you only pay $5,000 into it, and then you die, then the insurance will pay the rest of it off for you, so that you end up with a $10,000 policy. Whereas life insurance is opposite, but yeah. If you have any questions, any comments, if you want to cover yourself now, if you want to prepay your funeral, holler at your boy. If you prefer to go the insurance route, which you can get a lot more coverage with insurance. Prepaid, you're essentially paying for your funeral only. Life insurance, you can get some additional funds to pay for your funeral, take care of some expenses. So depends on what you want to accomplish. So both of them are good in their own right. So both of them are actually excellent for what you want to accomplish in your life or with your death. All right, questions, comments, you want to get set up, you want to set your mama up, you want to see if you can set your grandmama up with a funeral right now. There's no age limit for prepaid. Life insurance, you may or may not have some stipulations to coverage. But yeah, give me a call at the office, 724-624-9297, or reach me directly, 832-760-2941. At Cindy's List, we're simplifying funerals.